Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write 10-line essay on my hobby. You can also write this content under the topic 10 lines about my hobby. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is reading books is my favorite hobby. Second line is it allows me to explore new worlds and gain knowledge. Third line is I find solace and escape in the pages of a good book, immersing myself in captivating stories and characters. Fourth line is books provide me with a means to expand my horizons, broaden my perspectives, and stimulate my imaginations. Fifth line is through reading, I can delve into different genres such as fiction, non-fiction, mystery, fantasy, and historical literature. Sixth line is reading helps me to relax, unwind, and de stress. Seventh line is it enhances my vocabulary, language skills, and critical thinking abilities. Next line is I cherish the feeling of holding a physical book and feeling the pages between my fingers. Ninth line is bookstores and libraries are my heaven as they offer a vast array of literary treasures waiting to be explored. Last line is reading is a lifelong pursuit that continues to enrich my life, offering both entertainment and personal growth.